So this one, you guys are probably familiar with it. I don't know how much you've been keeping up with the YSL Young Thug trial, but Young Thug was denied mistrial despite the judge ranting on the prosecution. I don't know if you saw that video.
I did.
But the ongoing YSL Rico trial with Young Thug, the judge not only denied a mistrial over hearsay evidence, but also criticized the prosecution over their disorganization and handling of the case.
But honestly, after a certain number of times, you start to wonder how it could be anything but that, unless it is just that you are so unorganized that you are throwing this case together as you try it. And I am sorry to say that, but this case is being made much more difficult for everybody because of the haphazard way in which it is being presented.
She ain't lying.
I'm sorry, this is going on entirely too long. Like this, he's been on trial for more than a year, and they're talking about it might go past Thanksgiving, and it's just like, and this is, I know this is something completely different, but the guys who killed young Dolph, they tried them, and I think they're up for sentencing already.
It's a wrap.
It was less than a week.
Yeah, less than a week.
You know, so I don't know what they're presenting and what they're talking about at this point.
Well, apparently they're dropping the bag. This is what the judge is saying.
The problem is this is a RICO case. So going to take longer naturally being a RICO case, but a lot of the mishaps and the extensions and even
the judges getting removed.
And everything that's involved in this case is like a circus.
Facts.
And it's like it's playing out in front of us, but it's embarrassing. Like Atlanta, the Georgia court or whatever the hell is putting on should be ashamed of how this is turning out, because there's no way that you would be able to come into a like an upstanding judge's courtroom and pretty much make it your own stage. That's not how it usually happens in court
at all.
And that's exactly what's happening. Like even from the attorneys down to the witnesses that are taking the stands, it's almost like they're looking for a viral moment in court. So they're extending it, just trying to get more publicity and more eyes on this particular situation. And it's embarrassing, I would say. Yeah.
No, I'm at this point, you know, the fact that they didn't grant him bond.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You know, at this point, especially to declare a mistrial or, you know, which I'm not sure if is going to happen, but.
She denied it. So there's that.
Okay.
For this, but.
You know, I'm sorry, but the OJ trial wasn't this long.
No, it wasn't.
Sure it wasn't.
Yep. Well, all right. Wrap it up, B.
Period.
So yeah,
say, Mike?
No. Well,
at one point I was like, you know what, he probably did what they said he did, but at this point I was like, you know, this just seems like some foolishness. Go and let Young Thug come home.
What's his name? YSL Woody then got famous off of just appearing in court. Like that skyrocketed his career. Like if you didn't know who YSL Woody is or was before his appearance at the trial, you know who he is now. If he following media.
He's getting booked for stuff.
Yeah.
That's true. Good point.